Mm. So it is winter time, and I get asked just this question quite a bit. Everyone's using the heat in their car. It's getting cold outside. Well, it already has been cold outside here for months. So if you turn the heat on in your car and the windows fog up and you get that smell, like it's a maple syrup smell, chances are your heater core could be bad or going bad or might be leaking. There could be a leak, to it. So you'd want to have to get that checked out because it's not good to breathe that in, and the heat probably isn't working the greatest in your car if that's happening. So we've been kind of coming up against this stuff. We actually just did a video. Steve and I just did a video on how to replace a heater core in a Volkswagen Passat, and that one wasn't too bad. But some of these things can be an absolute bear to get at. A lot of times they bury them under the dash. In the Passat, they were behind, almost like behind the radio, but down under it in the back. And it wasn't all that bad to do that one. We were kind of in and out of there in about an hour. My 77 T-Bird was awesome. That one is in the firewall. It's like full bolts and the thing pulls right out. It's literally like a 15-minute job. So it depends on the vehicle that you have. If you have to replace the heater core, it can be pretty involved. You might want to search around on Google if yours does go bad to see how much it costs to replace the heater core on your vehicle. And we try to do videos on this stuff whenever we can to help you guys out, or to at least at a minimum show you what's involved with doing a job like this. And they're not the funnest jobs to do usually, but we did do one, and it wasn't that bad. So we ended up actually fixing that Passat, and the whole inside of the car, the windows were all steamed up. So we had to wipe all the windows down when we were done. We got all that stuff cleaned up, and the customer was happy. It was all set. But that's tough. Usually a telltale that you have a heater core going bad. And I hate to break the news to you because it's not the best thing to go sour or south on you. But if you have any questions, leave a question on the video here. I'll reply back to you. And thanks for checking us out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Take it easy.